Two examples of GIFs. This one is at university, and they have a GIF on their page about student life. This is an energizing and enthusiastic GIF, quite easy to make in a tool like Giphy. And this is a very subtle one. You gotta pay attention to see it, but it does add some life to the page. Here we have a static image and we're going to replace it for a GIF, so an animated image. GIFs do have a limitation of a maximum of 2 MB and are a bit harder to make yourself if you're less handy with tools. Especially if you want to tell a story with your GIFs, you got to think about it carefully before asking a designer to do so. Now let's add a GIF to this page from scratch by dragging the image element onto the page, selecting the animated image that we want, and again, size it the way you want and make it sit wherever you want using the alignment settings.